Press the power button to turn the fan on/off. If you want to adjust how strong the airflow is, use this fan speed button. Touch once to increase the fan speed, with a maximum of 6 levels. If you want to switch the fan's working modes, touch the button repeatedly to switch the mode: normal, natural, sleep, baby. If you want to change the direction the airflow blows, touch the button to start the automatic oscillation function. If you want to set a shutoff timer for the fan, tap the button to set the automatic shutoff timer. Each tap increases the timer from 1 to 24 hours. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to adjust the time rapidly. After the display flashes for about 3 seconds and the fan beeps once, the timer is set. Press the button to cancel or turn on the operation sound. To turn on the function, press and hold the control button for 3 seconds. The screen will turn off immediately. Screen lights up on any button press, and auto-offs after 10 seconds of inactivity. To keep the screen on, press and hold the control button to cancel auto-off.